You feel like you're spinning your wheels. You've tried new goals, new routines, and pushed yourself to be motivated, but you still feel stuck. What if the problem isn't your job or your willpower, but an internal one? Psychologists identify a mental trap called repetitive negative thinking that keeps so many of us in place. It's when part of you wants to change, but another part has slammed on the brakes. Today, we're going to expose this pattern, and I'll show you how to break free. Feeling stuck isn't laziness or a lack of ambition. The fact that it bothers you proves you want to change. It's the draining, internal tug-of-war of knowing what you should do, but being unable to do it. Your brain clings to the familiar pain of the present because it's scared of an uncertain future. This isn't about willpower. It's a specific, looping thought pattern that drains your energy and tricks you into believing that moving forward is impossible. This pattern is so subtle, most of us don't even realize it's running the show. That mental trap is called repetitive negative thinking, or RNT. It's a habit where your mind gets stuck replaying the same distressing thoughts. It feels like you're problem-solving, but you're just overthinking in a circle. Research shows RNT can lead to depression and anxiety. It shows up in two main ways. First is rumination. This is when you're mentally stuck in the past, endlessly replaying mistakes and regrets. It's the voice saying, "I can't believe I did that," keeping you chained to yesterday's pain. Second is catastrophizing. This is when you're stuck obsessing about a worst-case future. A short email from your boss means you're about to be fired. A small disagreement means a relationship is doomed. You're in a constant state of bracing for impact. Think of RNT as mental quicksand. The more you struggle against the negative thoughts, the deeper you sink. Since RNT is a habit, you can unlearn it. A powerful framework from cognitive behavioral therapy uses a simple three-step process. Catch it, check it, and change it. Step 1. Catch it. You can't fix a pattern you don't see. When you feel that paralysis creeping in, pause and ask, am I ruminating or catastrophizing? Simply labeling the thought as RNT creates distance and robs it of its power. Step 2, check it. Challenge the thought. Negative thoughts feel like facts, but they rarely are. Ask yourself, where is the hard evidence for this? Or even better, what would I say to a friend if they were saying this? You'd be more compassionate and realistic with them, so give that same kindness to yourself. Step 3, change it. Actively break the loop. Don't just tell yourself to stop thinking about it. Instead, engage your mind in something else that requires focus. Get up and go for a walk or make one tiny, concrete plan to address the real problem. The goal is to prove to your brain that you are in control. That feeling of being stuck is not a life sentence. For many, it's a direct result of repetitive negative thinking. By learning to catch it, check it, and change it, you can break the cycle and start living in the present again. It won't happen overnight, but it starts with one small step. What's one small step you can take this week to break your pattern? Will you practice labeling your thoughts or talk to yourself like a friend? Drop a comment below and share your plan. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more on the psychology of breaking free.